Imagine launching a cutting-edge healthcare AI company, only to discover that, for most of the world's leading AI models, your brand is invisible. That's the reality for Inflow Health, a radiology workflow automation specialist. Despite having a strong product and real hospital customers, Inflow Health faces a unique challenge: a complete blackout on ChatGPT and Perplexity, the two AI platforms most used by clinicians and hospital decision makers. Only Gemini, Google's AI, recognizes Inflow Health with any detail. This split in visibility isn't just a technical issue, it's a business risk that could impact growth, partnerships, and even survival. Let's break down the numbers. Inflow Health's average visibility score across three major AI models is just 27.3 out of 100. On ChatGPT, the world's most popular AI, Inflow Health scores a shocking 0, meaning it doesn't exist in the AI's world. Perplexity, another fast-growing AI, barely registers Inflow Health with a score around 7. Only Gemini, Google's AI, provides a strong score of 70.25, recognizing Inflow Health's radiology LLM engine, founding story, and hospital partnerships. This extreme variance means Inflow Health's brand is fragile and dependent on a single AI model's training data. Why is this split visibility so dangerous? Most hospital procurement teams, clinicians, and health system executives use ChatGPT or Perplexity to research new solutions. If Inflow Health doesn't appear in their queries, it's as if the company doesn't exist. Even worse, ChatGPT misclassifies Inflow Health as a women's health or fertility company and lists the wrong competitors. This means Inflow Health is missing out on critical opportunities, losing RFPs, and being overlooked in AI-driven recommendation lists. Relying on Gemini alone is risky. If its data changes, Inflow Health could vanish from all major AI platforms overnight. The world of radiology AI, competition is fierce. Market leaders like AdocViz AI and Amber Health dominate the leaderboard with high visibility and broad recognition. Inflow Health, despite being ranked 4 in its niche by Gemini, is completely invisible on ChatGPT and Perplexity. This means that when buyers search for the best radiology AI or follow-up automation tools, Inflow Health isn't even in the conversation. Instead, competitors with stronger AI visibility are recommended, making it even harder for Inflow Health to gain traction in a crowded market. Gemini stands out as the only AI model with accurate, detailed knowledge of Inflow Health. It knows the company was founded in 2022 by Nate Sutt, recognizes the radiology LLM engine, and lists real hospital customers like Terrebonne General and Griffin Health. Gemini even tracks Inflow Health's product launches and industry awards. This shows that with the right data, AI can provide a clear and compelling profile. But with only one model getting it right, Inflow Health's visibility remains fragile and at risk of disappearing if Gemini's data changes. The audit reveals several critical gaps. ChatGPT and Perplexity not only lack product knowledge, they also misclassify Inflow Health's category and competitors. For example, ChatGPT guessed Inflow Health was in women's health and listed companies like Teladoc and Amwell as competitors, missing the real players in radiology AI. There's also no social proof. No G2, KLAS, or Trustpilot reviews are indexed by any AI. Without press coverage, case studies, or structured product information, Inflow Health is at risk of being misunderstood or ignored by the very platforms that influence buyer decisions. There's a clear roadmap to fix Inflow Health's AI blackout. First, build a robust AI knowledge base, create a Wikipedia page, submit profiles to Crunchbase and Rock Health, and publish detailed SEO-optimized product explainers on the company website. Next, generate press coverage and social proof, issue press releases, publish case studies with measurable outcomes, and request reviews from hospital customers. Finally, own the radiology follow-up category by publishing comparison content and structured FAQs. These steps will help all major AI models recognize Inflow Health, closing the visibility gap and strengthening the brand's position. Truly stand out, Inflow Health needs to create AI-targeted content. This means publishing head-to-head competitor comparisons, hospital case studies with quantified outcomes, and definitive guides that define the radiology follow-up automation category. Structured content like FAQs, ROI data, and integration details feeds directly into AI training data. By focusing on the exact phrases and topics that Gemini already recognizes, Inflow Health can ensure that other AI models pick up accurate, detailed information. This strategy not only boosts visibility but also positions Inflow Health as a thought leader in its niche. Inflow Health's story is a wake-up call for every health tech company. In the age of AI, visibility isn't just about SEO or social media, it's about being recognized by the algorithms that drive real-world decisions. By closing data gaps, building authority, and targeting AI with the right content, Inflow Health can move from invisible to indispensable. The journey won't be easy, but with a focused action plan, Inflow Health can secure its place in the AI-driven healthcare landscape and ensure its innovations reach the hospitals and patients who need them most.